Two of Ireland's biggest social media stars, Suzanne and Conor McGregor, have been reprimanded by the consumer watchdog for failing to properly label paid promotions online. Amy Malloy reports the Consumer and Competition Protection Commission, the CCPC, has published details of 18 new enforcement actions for breaches of consumer law, including compliance notices issued to both influencers. Beauty entrepreneur Suzanne, founder of SoSu Cosmetics and Dripping Gold, was found to have posted multiple promotional messages on Instagram without clearly identifying them as paid advertising. The posts, shared between December 2024 and February 2025, promoted SoSu products, including a masterclass event in a Dunnes Stores branch in Limerick and a collaboration with makeup artist Paula Callan. The CCPC found that a company of which Miss Jackson and her husband are directors paid her either directly or indirectly to promote products. However, the posts did not clearly state they were paid promotions. She has now been instructed to clearly label such content with ad and warned her social media channels will be monitored for compliance. Ms Jackson said she could not comment until she looked into the matter. And MMA fighter Conor McGregor was also found to have breached consumer law. 3 Instagram posts promoting his forged Irish Stout brand in June 2024 were not clearly labelled as paid promotions. He has been directed by the CCPC to mark future posts with ad or #ad and given until January 1st, 2026 to comply. The Commission says the rules apply equally to retailers, publicans and influencers, even when promoting their own brands. Among other enforcement actions, Circle K on Nassau Street in Dublin received fixed payment notices for failing to display prices, while 3 Dublin bars were told to properly display price lists. The watchdog says it carries out hundreds of inspections every year and has warned that failure to comply with notices is an offence. It has also signalled it wants stronger powers to issue significant fines in the future.